Mamshis? This is Mami Rafi. Welcome to the Gracies. And today is Wednesday. And it's time check. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. So, gigisingin na natin within half an hour si Nura and si Firas dahil meron siyang training as early as 8:30 and he needs to move at least by 7:30 here at home. Same like ni Nura, by 7:30 susunduin na rin siya ng kanyang school bus. He needs to go for a training dahil hindi siya umattend kahapon. So, tinawagan siya. They need to attend so they can get their completion certificate para sa training na ginawa nila. Well, it's good na rin kasi marami akong magagawa dito sa bahay. And now, I'm going to prepare the snack for Nura and prepare the coffee na rin. To be exact. At 6:30, makapagkape na si Papa. Makapag-enjoy siya, makapag-unwind na. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Pakulo. Habang pinapakulo natin ang ating tubig, paglagay na tayo ng ating Turkish coffee. This way, si Papa ang turo sa akin kung paano. Ayaw niya kasi nang hinahalo yung coffee. So, itong way ko, yan yung tinuro niya sa akin kung paano niya gusto gawin yung kanyang coffee. Ayan, pagka nag-foam na siya, alisin lang natin siya sa apoy. Then, pag nag-set na siya ulit, balik natin siya konti. Ayan. So, yung ganito, okay na yan. Okay. This time, the coffee is done. So, there you go. Ito na yung aming breakfast. Ayan, cereal kay Nura, her milk, ang coffee ni Papa, and ang aking black coffee in the morning. Aking black coffee in the morning. So, kung makikita nyo, maliit yung cup ni Nura. Yan talaga yung favorite niya na iniinuman niya. Kahit maliit siya, mas bet niya yung ganyang milk cup niya. And tapos ko na rin pala gawin ang food ni Nura para sa kanyang snack. Let's go! Gisingin na natin sila! Wake up! Time to go to school! sarap ng araw. So, since wala na ang mag-ama ko, we need to check what we need to do today. Ayan. Kasi, makapaglaban naman ako ng first batch ko kahapon. Tapos bring it out na lang. Para maarawan na siya. Ayan guys, balik kusina na tayo, no? So, as you can see earlier, I did some exercises and stretching before I do my cleaning. So, I decided to go back to my daily routine before when I was in Dubai. So, this routine that I made, it helps me to slim down, lose weight, and get more active and more healthier. Why I decided to do this? Aminin na natin yan. Lumalaki na ako, guys. Sobrang. Ang laki ng nilaki ko simula nung dumating kami dito. From 68 kg. Now, I am 74 kg. So, ang sarap kumain. Lalo na nitong pumasok ang winter. Oh my God. Ang hirap kumilos. Ang hirap magagawa. So, naging stagnant yung lifestyle ko. Even na nandyan lagi si Nura, I'm trying to be active for her. But still, kasi hindi, at my age, habang tumatanda tayo, kailangan na nating i-lessen yung mga hindi na dapat. Diba? More on activities, more on galaw-galaw tayo. So, every morning, starting today, every day, for 1 week, I'll be starting my 7-minute workout. I am following this fitness YouTuber, na si Lindsay Windham. Siya rin yung pina-follow ko even before pa, nung nasa Dubai ako. Yung mga exercises niya, meron siya mga exercises doon na good for, na good for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, if you really have time. And if you're starting, for beginners, there are some advanced exercises din that you can follow para makapag-start up ka. Yes, I can definitely assure you na at first 2 weeks, talagang nandyan yung tatamarin ka. Nandyan yung madedemotivate ka. But once you pass that 2 weeks na continuous mo ginagawa, hahanap-hanapin na ng katawan mo yan. This also happens to me in Dubai many times. But nung nagkakasakit na ako, nung nagpa-check up na ako sa cardio, doon ko nakita na yung stress level ng katawan mo, na dapat sabayan mo yung load ng trabaho mo, doon ko na-realize na kailangan mas maging health conscious tayo. So, now, naisip ko yun, gawin na. Kailangan ko nang i-push yung sarili ko na gawin na ulit yun. Para, hindi lang naman para sa akin yun, para rin sa pamilya ko. So, hindi na sila mag-aalala sa akin, lalo na si Habibi, hindi na siya mag-aalala kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, 'di ba? Yung makita niya na ako na happy palagi. Kasi kung tutuusin talaga, pagka-active ka, iba yung aura mo. As in, ang glow ng skin mo, dahil lagi kang umiinom ng tubig, dahil nga active ka, iba yung energy mo for the day. Iba rin yung magiging tulog mo. Kasi really, ever since na dumating kami dito, hindi ako nakakatulog ng maayos. Di ba? Yung mga nangyaring gera, yung mga naririnig mo madaling araw, yung mga sumasabog. Na, nai-stress ako dun. Kaya, this time, I decided to be active again. So, help me with my journey. Stay tuned kung ano yung progress ng aking fitness journey. Alright? So, dito muna ako sa kusina. Makikipagsapalaran muna ako sa aking mga hugasin. So guys, please stay tuned kung anong progress ang meron ako. Gusto niyo bang makita kung ano yung itsura ko before nung nasa Dubai ako? At kasi, I started doing the exercises nung nasa Dubai ako. Kasi, I was also big. Like this. Like this. Yung braso ko malaki. You will see me here. Here. This is my before and after. Na-reach ko yung small size ko from 75 kg, that one that wearing green, to 59 kg. On that one was wearing black. I was wearing black. Na-reach ko yan within 6 months. Within 6 months. Kasi, I was really active that time. Totally active ako. I'm doing my jogging every morning. I wake up at 5:30 in the morning, out at 5:45. Out at 5:45 to go for a run. Back at 7, and then do my preparation, do my breakfast, do my preparation for my work. Yun ang routine ko. And then at night, pag hindi ako ganun kapagod, I still go for a quick run. At least 30 minutes run. So, yun ang timing ko palagi. Kaya talagang ang laki ng binawas ko I lose weight drastically because of that activity with my diet and also with the intermittent fasting that I'm doing. That time, in just 6 months, I reached that. But now, hindi ko naman intention na habulin yung ganong kind of diet. Kasi way back in Dubai, you really have a discipline. Kasi you have time for working. Unlike ngayon, na nandito ko sa bahay, ang dami ko nakikitang masarap na pagkain, guys. Lalo na may baby ako. Lalo na nandyan si Inura. Marami siyang mga biscuits, marami siyang mga sweets. So, I have to take care of that. Na kailangan ko talagang pigilan yung sarili ko just to be in shape. Aminin natin yan, mahirap talaga mag-control. Kaya nga self-discipline talaga. So, let's see what will be the progress of this fitness journey of mine, and hopefully maging successful ako magkaroon ako ng progress in a month or 2. Samahan niyo ako, guys, okay?